How to install TikTok on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install TikTok on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that you will need to take is just open up your App Store. Make sure that you're logged in into your Apple account. Now head over to the search bar on the bottom right and simply search for TikTok. After you search for TikTok, you should find TikTok right here. Just tap on it and tap on the install button. With that, you should be able to download TikTok. Now, if you do not find TikTok even after you search TikTok, that can be due to your region not being in the correct place. Now, if you want to change your region, there is a different video on that. You can check out our channel for it. And yeah, now if you don't find it, you can just head over to your browser and simply search for TikTok right there as well, and then you should find TikTok option where you can download it. If you tap on it, it will redirect you to the TikTok download link as well. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.